Everyone, welcome to my science lab, and today I will be demonstrating the process called diffusion and capillary action. This experiment is commonly known as the walking water experiment. So for this experiment, I will be needing a container of water, 3 different types of food coloring. I'll be using green, yellow, and red, a dropper. We'll need 7 clear containers and 6 rolled tissue papers. Okay, so I will take the water, and as you see here, I've already assembled it. So I'm going to start pouring. You just pour that much, and you leave a space here. Put it here, leave a space again. Put it here, leave a space again. Lastly, put it again. After that, we take our food coloring and with the dropper, we carefully put it in this. We'll need one here. Yeah. And then we'll take our yellow and put it right here. And then we take our green put it right here. So as you see, I put the food coloring where the water was. So these are 2 reds, green and yellow. Now I'll be taking these, folding them like this. Guys, so as you can observe, diffusion has occurred and the water passed through the paper towels to here, here, and here. Thank you so much for watching my experiment. I hope you learned the process of capillary action and diffusion. See you next time. Bye.